it comes as no surprise that.
For example, it comes as no surprise that David is late again.
Small wonder that.
For example, after 5 years with the company she hadn't been promoted. Small wonder that she decided to quit her job.
As a matter of fact.
For example, the shoes are still stylish, and as a matter of fact, I'm wearing a pair right now.
To crown it all.
For example, I had lost my ticket, was soaked to the skin, and, to crown it all, discovered that my purse had been stolen.
In regard to.
For example, I am calling in regard to your recent inquiry.
It is important to note that.
For example, therefore it is important to note that there is no threshold.
On the one hand, on the other hand.
For example, on the one hand, I faced the prospect of losing my day-to-day contact with the kids. On the other, I faced sacrificing my career.
This plays a key role in.
For example, she played a key role in campaigning for equal opportunities in the workplace.
To put it in a nutshell.
For example, this, in a nutshell, is what Richard Chaplin appears to have done.
To make a long story short.
For example, to cut a long story short, I married Stephen.
Summing it up.
For example, to sum up, we need to reduce our expenditures and target new markets in order to grow.
So, to sum it up.
For example, so, to sum it up, it was a joint decision.
It seems to me.
For example, it seems to me quite rare.
From my point of view.
For example, from my point of view the track was at fault.
For all I know.
For example, for all I know, he left last night.
As far as I can see.
For example, as far as I can see, he is happy at his new job.
Best guess is.
For example, our best guess is that we will be ready in 2 weeks.
To my way of thinking.
For example, to his way of thinking, would only make matters worse.
We can safely assume that.
For example, we can safely assume that it is done in a way that makes it unlikely that anyone will be harmed.
To the best of our knowledge.
For example, to the best of my knowledge, Gloria did not make these comments. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.